Hi guys, it's Jonathan from Smart Home Sounds here. In this video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set up a Sonos speaker. In this case we've got the Sonos One Gen 2. What you need to do to get started is plug it into mains power like we have here, and then you need to wait for the Sonos speaker to start flashing green, download the Sonos app, and I'm actually on the Welcome Music Lover page, so I've opened the Sonos app and we're ready to go. So we're going to create an account. And this will take me just a few seconds. And then accept the Sonos privacy statement, create account. So now it's going to ask me to verify my email address. I've got my colleague off camera who's going to verify that for me now. And once you click that link from your email account, it will automatically take you to the next step on the Sonos app. So your account is now set up, and we'll continue. So set up your Sonos speakers. First, let's connect your Sonos products to your network, then we'll customize Sonos for your home. Great, let's continue. What are you setting up? We're setting up Sonos speakers. So this is where it finds your speaker automatically. So it knows that it's a Sonos One in black, and it's also got the serial number there as well. So we'll set the speaker up. So this is where you will connect to your Wi-Fi. So if you're using an iOS device, it will look like this. If you're using an Android device, it will look slightly different, but it's the same procedure. So we'll go to Accessory Setup. And this is where it's going to search for available local devices near us. So that's the network we want to join, and we'll press next. And it should do this automatically. Okay, that's complete. Okay, so this is where you just need to press the button on your Sonos One. So that's located on the back. It looks a bit like an infinity symbol. All you need to do is press it once and release. And it plays a nice little chime. And now it's attempting to connect to the speakers. So you'll see now that the light has now gone white, and the app is saying that the Sonos One's been added. So we'll press next. And this is where you can choose the room name for your Sonos One. So you can call it anything you like from the list, or you can put in a custom name. If you've got one, we're just going to call it bedroom for the purposes of this, and we'll press continue. And this is where you can add other speakers if you've got multiple speakers wanting to be set up. We don't, so we'll press not now. And then it'll just register the products ready to use. So this is where you can true play the speakers. And that means you can acoustically optimize the speakers for the room they're in. You do need an iOS device to do that, so if you're setting it up on an Android, you won't get asked this feature, but you can borrow someone else's to do that, so I'd highly recommend doing it. It basically means your speaker will sound perfect for the room you're in. It does make quite a lot of difference. We won't do that now, we'll do that in a different video, so we'll press continue and skip that. And you can do that at any time. And then in this screen, this is where you can add any music services that you have, for example, Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, or any of the 60 other streaming services that are supported by the Sonos app. We won't do that for now because it's really straightforward to do that. You'll just need to say add a music service and then sign into your account, and then it will take you back to the screen that I'm just about to go onto now. So we'll press done. And now you have full access to the Sonos app. From here you can play any music from your streaming services or from TuneIn Radio. So hopefully this video has demonstrated how easy it is to set up a Sonos speaker from scratch. And now it's going to be even easier to set up any other speakers that you might want to add to in the future. All you'll need to do this is go on Add Speakers in your More menu on the Sonos app. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.